Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a tripod, so stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a tripod. We're going to be taking a look at the JOBY GorillaPod 325. So this is the small GorillaPod from JOBY. So this is the flexible tripod. Now I picked this up when I was going on my hike back in October or so because I wanted something a little more durable than the cheap version of this that I had. So I found this one on Amazon, picked it up, and thoroughly enjoy this little tripod. Now this is the 325, so it's rated for smaller cameras, so like your action camera or your small digital cameras, not your big DSLRs. But this thing is really awesome. So it's really flexible. The weight on it is 2.9 ounces and it's 5.8 inches tall, so it works out really well for those action cameras. If you want to wrap it on a tree, that's what I do. You see those secondary shots, those secondary angles in some of my videos. I don't do it in every one of them. I'm using this. I'm wrapping this around a tree with my action camera on it, somewhere around the vicinity of where I'm filming my review, and guess what? I get those shots. So this thing works out really well. It's really sturdy. Now when you get it, the ball right here is really stiff. It's hard to move, and that is not a problem for me. I know some of the reviews on Amazon, people were like bashing it, but for me, I like that. Reason being, if I decide to put a little bit heavier camera on this, I don't have to worry about the camera weight pulling that ball down. So that is really nice. I like that. Threads onto any camera, and it's just, to me, it works out really well. It's super lightweight and light option. I don't use the big cameras. I use the little action cameras, and this works out perfect. So my newest action camera actually has the built-in threads in the camera, so I can just screw this onto the bottom of the camera, hang it where I want to, and go shoot my videos, whether it be on the ground, whether it be hanging from a tree. And the best part about these flexible tripods is you can literally find level ground anywhere. It's not hard to find a level shot at all. If you've got to jack one leg up, if you've got to spread them all the way out like this. The other cool thing with these, if you've never used one and you like doing selfie mode, that's the only problem I've had. Sometimes these little joints will pop out, excuse me, but they pop right back in and it's not a problem. It's not broken. If you like shooting in selfie mode, you like holding your camera in front of you, then you can actually twist these. If you've never used one of these kind of tripods, you can twist these around ever so gently and then kind of give it a little bit of a curve. Now you have a stable, steady selfie mode shot that you can hold your camera at. Works out really well. This thing, if you're in the market for a small tripod for your small camera, this thing's right around $15 on Amazon. So I highly recommend this. I was on the fence. I've been looking at these tripods for a really long time, and I finally bit the bullet sometime back last year. I think it was right before my hike. I can't remember. So I've had it for a while and absolutely love it. I've had cheaper versions of these flexible tripods, and they just don't hold up. They just don't hold their flex and keep their flex. I've hung a camera from a tree, and in the middle of shooting my video, the camera falls out the tree because the flex just doesn't hold on. So this one is really well made, and I absolutely love it. So for roughly $15, you can't beat this. This is the JOBY GorillaPod 325. So really nice tripod for your action camera or your small digital cameras. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you're notified when I drop new content. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.